Hello guys, and in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily turn off or turn on the VSync in your NVIDIA Control Panel on Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. So on your desktop, I want you to right click on any blank space, right click, and you will see NVIDIA Control Panel. Left click on it, then wait for a few seconds. It depends on your equipment, and you will see manage 3D settings. Click on it. Then you just need to scroll down until you see the option vertical sync. This. So double click on it to select vertical sync, and you will have the option to turn this off. You can easily go back in here, turn it on, and just make sure to save the changes. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.